Hello and welcome to today's tech tutorial. Today we're going to walk you through creating local insights in your area using both Kelle and Command. To begin, we're first going to start using Kelle. From your home screen, you'll log into Kelle and you'll arrive on your home screen that looks like this. Then you're going to ask Kelle to add an insight. Once you've done that, she's going to ask you, are you adding an insight that is a place or an area? And in this case, I'm going to add a place. Then I'm going to follow the prompts where it's asking me for a category. I'm going to be adding a local restaurant that is actually a bistro. So I'm going to search for bistro until it's done. And then I'm going to title it the name of the restaurant that I'm actually going to do the insight on. Once I've done that, I'll add the description of the bistro, and I actually had gone to their website and copied some print. Once I've done that, I'm going to scroll down to the bottom and you're going to see where you can add a photo. And I've got some photos. I'm going to choose from the library on my telephone. I'm going to look at my photos, and I've got some photos of On the Nines here, so I'm going to add that photo. And then I'm going to add another photo. Got some photos of some great food. They also do a fantastic smoky old-fashioned, so I'm going to add that. You're simply going to add those one at a time, and then I'm going to click Save in the upper right-hand corner. And you'll see that I successfully added an insight using Kelle. Now we're going to add an insight through Command. You'll log into agent.kw.com, and that will be your main dashboard. And on the left-hand side, you'll see the additional navigation, and you're going to go down to the very bottom, and the bottom one is going to be Local Insights. You'll click on that. That's going to take you to the Insights homepage. Once here, you'll click on Create New Insight, and you'll simply follow the prompts. In this case, I'm going to do an insight about a local community, and it's in a specific area. So I'm going to search for that area, and it's called Harris Village. So I'm going to click on Harris Village. That is the correct area. So I'm going to, again, follow those prompts. I'm going to name it Harris Village. It is in an area of great schools, so I'm going to choose great schools. I also had previously typed up so I could just copy and paste some information about the neighborhood. And then I'm going to come back up to the top. I'm going to add some photos that I've got of the community. I've got in here, I've got 2 photos that I'd like to upload. So I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to save that insight. And now you'll see that both of the insights that I just created show up on my Insight homepage, both the one that I created through Kelle as well as the one that I created through Command. And it's as easy as that. Be sure to start creating those local insights in your area.